I hate all the products served in a student vending machine like this one. All of the products in it tasted like shit. I wish I can get real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute. Idea. Ding ding. I will find the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome. I found the staff vending machine in this teacher's lounge. And yay. It serves real soda. Let's buy something. Yay. I just bought real soda. Oh fuck no. I'm fucked. It's Principal Celestia.
Captain McCluskey. I saw footage from the security camera that you used the staff vending machine. Did you?
Well, you'll be really mad. But, yes, I did.
Captain McCluskey. How dare you use the staff vending machine? That's it. You are now suspended for 8 weeks. Get out.
Captain McCluskey. I can't believe you use the staff vending machine. You know that those machines are restricted to your school teachers and administration only.
But Sonny, the soda in the student vending machines tasted like shit.
I don't give a shit. That's it. You are grounded for 1 million years. Go to your room right now. And I'll tell my Daphne's two best friends Peter Clemenza and Salvatore Tessio about this when they all get off work at midnight.
Yeah.